Hello everyone. Hope you are all doing great. Today's session is going to be a little different. It's not about a single topic. Instead, we are going to start a mini project on AgentForce. Isn't it exciting? Yes. So we will be using different functionality that Salesforce provides through AgentForce. And this project will help you understand how all those pieces come together in a real scenario. Now, this session will have multiple parts. So we are not going to complete everything in one video. We will go step by step across a few sessions and build the entire project together. First, I will show you what the final output will look like, and then we will build it from scratch to achieve the same result. So you will able to know, like after we finish all the series, what your product will look like. So that's why I will show you the final output in this video itself. So what are we going to use in this mini project? We will explore AgentForce agent, AgentForce topic, different type of action like prompt builder, flow, and Apex, lightning types, both standard and custom, and the exciting multimodal feature. This one I really like. Now, what's the project is all about? Let's imagine we have a legacy system that stores flight booking in PDF format, sort of an old school application form. We want to move that booking system into Salesforce. But instead of manually creating those records, we will use AgentForce to do it for us automatically. To build this, we will combine custom and standard lightning type feature, the multimodal capability, and an employee agent. So here is the high level flow of how this work inside the AgentForce chat window. So the user, so this is the user. So the user tells the agent that they want to upload a flight ticket document. Then agent will fetch, depending upon the user request, agent will fetch all the list of contacts based on the user provided criteria and return the list of contact to agent and then to user. So all the list of contact will be displayed to user. Now, user action will be user select a contact and upload the file ticket. So once it does that one, and what it will do, the agent will save that document to the Salesforce object. And once it confirms that the files has been uploaded, then user click on submit button and agent will invoke multimodal feature to decode it. So we use a prompt template to leverage the multimodal feature that is provided by Salesforce and will decode the document and return the JSON data. Like we are using the JSON data, you can use any other format. I am providing the instruction to LLM that give me the data in JSON format. So it is providing me the data on the JSON format. And once agent receive that one, then it will automatically invoke an action in the backend, and backend will create those data in Salesforce object. And once it has been inserted in Salesforce, it will return the newly created record and that will get displayed on the user chat window, on the AgentForce chat window. So this is the flow that we are going to develop, and like what is our mini project is all about, that I have already told you. So that is we are going to achieve. Now, I know looking at all the steps, this project might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. Once we start building it step by step, you will see it's actually quite manageable. If you follow along with the step I'm showing in this series, you will be able to build it yourself too. So stay with me, we will go through it together. Now, today we are not going to like achieve all the steps of this mini project. Rather, we will today focus on what will be our final input that I am going to show you, and the very first part, that is, once user asks the agent that he or she wants to upload a file ticket, it will fetch the list of contact, it will return the list of contact, and list of contact will get displayed in Salesforce. I mean in the AgentForce chat window. And those will be presented on Lightning card, and Lightning, for showing it in the chat window as a Lightning card, we are going to use custom Lightning type. And once users select a particular contact, it will the selected value will go to the agent. Till this point we will cover today. The next upload part of the flight ticket document will go in the next session. Okay. So then let's get started and let's show you how it works in Salesforce, the final output. So I have already logged in into my Salesforce org. So this is my Salesforce org. Now let me type this one, upload the booking document. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, so what happened? I have asked AgentForce agent to that I want to upload the booking document, and then AgentForce responded with list of contact that is present in my org. So if I go to like list of contacts, so let me click on contacts, and here is my list of contacts. If I go to all contacts, then I am only showing 5 contact as of now. So this is my list of contact, and that is what showing here. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 contact I am able to see, and we are showing the contact in a lightning card. So this is a custom lightning type that we have used to show the list of contact. And this too, this is the contact name and selected contact ID is the normal standard lightning types that we are using. Upload file is again a custom one, but we are not going to discuss about that in today's session. That will be our good candidate for the next session or next video. So if I select, I can select it from here. So if you are using a standard lightning type, then you can't select anything or you can't do anything. So for that one, I have used custom lightning type so that we can select it and we can do whatever we want from here. So see, I have selected this one and I am populating that what is my selected contact and selected contact ID. I have just keep the contact ID to show you, but that is not necessary. So let me click on Andy Young and see, I can able to see that it is changing as per whenever I select anything. Like if I select Pat, it is changing. And if I select Andy, it is changing. Now let's go to the Andy Young and let's see whether there is any document present on this contact or not. So no document present. So now what we are going to do, we are going to upload the document. So this is my document that I am going to upload. This is my travel details, like flight travel details, and this is my passenger name that I am going to upload. So let me upload that one. So I click on upload file and I select this one and I click on open. So a pop-up window opened, so it is done. Now the file is uploaded successfully. Now let's go to Andy Young and refresh the page and let's see whether it got uploaded or not. Okay, it got uploaded, well and good. Now let's go move to the agent force and let's hit on submit. So once we hit on submit, what will happen? It will automatically um, provide the selected contact name to the agent so that it will process the agent, and after that, based upon the provided contact ID and contact name, it will fetch the contact details and the related detail and send it to the mm, prompt template to decipher the data that is present in my PDF, and it will provide the details in the JSON format, and then those JSON format will be sent to an Apex action to create record. You can use a flow action as well, but I used here Apex action to deserialize the JSON and create the data from that JSON. So let's see that one. So I click on submit. So it is now showing deciphering the flight receipt. And then it is showing me that the flight booking has been successfully created on the uploaded document, and it is providing me the file, I mean flight booking details. So let's go to the flight booking details and refresh it, and let's see whether 007 is created or not. Okay, so yes, 007 got created, and if you see the time, it's 10:08. So this is the like just created as of now. Today only it got created just now. So yeah, this is working. So if I go to related, then I can see that this two passenger, that is whatever is mentioned in our this particular name, that is getting created here. So this is working fine. That means everything is just created. Now let me go to the um, here and let me show you what it is actually doing. So here, once I provided the ticket details, I mean the Andy Young, whenever I selected the contact name, so it is providing that contact name and contact ID to this one. And then it is showing me the message flight ticket uploaded successfully. Then what it is doing, it is calling this action deciphering flight receipt, and it is providing the API name of the object, that is contact ID, everything it has provided there. And then once it is provided, the prompt is responding with, like it is deciphering the PDF, and it is showing what is the travel date, what is the travel end date, and providing me in an JSON format. Now, after I receive the JSON format, then I I have written the instruction to call this particular action. This is nothing but an Apex action, and it is providing the input as this one, like the JSON that I have provided. And then what it provided me the output, it provided me the output like whatever flight has been booked. So this is the flight booking API name. This is the ID that has been just created. And this is like all the details that has been used. So now let me go to the topic and let me show you this one. So this is the one that is that I have used. So topic is where you mention the like what the topic needs to be, what is the scope of the topic, what the job of the topic, what are the different instruction that you want the LLM to follow. Everything you write on the topic details. And in the topic action, you actually able to define what this particular topic is going to do. In my case, it will upload file ticket, it will identify the contact that I'm selecting and providing the contact details to decipher flight receipt. So if I click on this one, decipher flight receipt is a prompt template, as you can see it here. And then I am passing that to create flight booking from the attachment, that is an Apex type of thing. And this is the standard one identified by by name. That is a standard one. And upload file ticket is another Apex one because we are using custom lightning type here. So this is how actually this works. And we are going to achieve the same step by step in this particular mini project. So then let's get started. Let's start building our first upload file ticket, that one. So for that one, what we will, so this is the existing one that I am using. This is the create flight booking from attachment, then editor.json. All this are, this is like nothing but your lightning type that you are using. This is where you can able to see this is the lightning type. This is my LWC component that I use to show the data. And yeah, that's all. So let's then start with the get contact record details. Okay. So now let's go to this one and let's first start with the creating the Apex class. I'm logged into this one. Let me open the developer console, and from here let me create a new Apex class that we will rename as flight upload. Okay. Okay, so public we can use with sharing, and then class file upload. So as we are going to use this class for our custom lightning type, so it is very much required that you use an invocable method and like what you are going to do. So we are going to show them a list of contact, right? First of all, and then on that contact you can use like anything. So for that one, first let's use this one. So this will return our contact, and we are uh, limiting it to 5. You can use any any limit or any where clause that you want for your data. So this is what we are using as of now. After that, for to display it in your front end, in your custom lightning type, we are going to use an invocable method, that is this one. So this one is upload file ticket, and that is what we are going to use. And upload file ticket, what it will do, it will upload the, means it will show you the details first and it will help you to upload the flight ticket. But as of now, we will only focus on how to show the related, I mean the list of contact in your front end. So for that one, this is like for just to provide you the custom lightning type, we are using it. We will discuss in detail about how this upload ticket works in our next session when we are going to use our upload ticket functionality. So currently don't like think about this upload ticket on much, but to show them the contact name and contact ID, you can eliminate contact ID as well, but I'm just using contact ID for to show it like it is changing and it is actually whatever ID we are selecting, it is passing to the backend, I mean to the agent context. For that one, I am using contact ID and contact name so that it should be visible in your front end. Okay. So this is what I'm using. Okay, after that, we need to return the response as well. So we'll use this one, file upload, this one. Okay. Okay, so we are just passing that file upload successfully. That is what we are passing. Now let me save it. Okay, it got saved. Well and good. Now Okay, let me open it again. Okay, so flight upload got updated successfully. Now let me create the Lightning web component. New component, what should be our name? We will give it same as like this, like flight file upload. That is what we are going to name it. Flight file upload. Flight file upload is exposed, include CSS file. Okay, deploy. Okay, now let's start with the LWC component first. So in the LWC component, what we have done, first we will use this read-only thing to refresh the data, show the data for all those things. And then we need two field to show the contact ID and selected contact name, and then one list to show the contact data. To show the contact data, we need get contact data as well. So I will use that one. I can write it from scratch, but that will unnecessarily take much time. So I have just created it and I am just showing it how it will work. So you want to return the value, that is like if you are using a lightning type, so this is what you want to use. So as of now, we don't require this accepted format because we are not today dealing with the upload feature. When we are dealing with that one, we will check that one. So in the connected callback, we'll use this, and in the fetch contact, we will use this one. So what we are doing here, in the connected callback, we are checking that we need to use contact name as well, because otherwise it will not retain the value. So contact name, okay. And then if the contact data length is less than 1, then we are calling the fetch contact data and we are fetching the contact data from this Apex class. And once it is done, once it is fetched all the data, then we are going to show it. Okay, deployment succeeded. Now in the front end, let us use, where is my HTML? So we will use this one, and then okay, so this is the one, and then we need this for each. So what we'll do, if this is true, then we are going to use this slash div and this slash template. So this is one template. This is the for each one, and this is the div one, and then we are using the lightning card inside this one. Okay, and then icon name will be standard contact. Size, let's keep it medium. We will copy paste this here, but we are not going to use any class. We just use no div here required. We will only use the normal one. CSS, we are not worried about that one, so I am not going to do anything related to CSS. Okay. Delete class detail row, detail label. Okay. Okay, looks good. Now let's use this handle upload finish as well. So in the handle upload finish, what we are doing, we are just using this one and populating the contact ID and contact name. That is what we are doing in handle finish. So handle upload finish is nothing but whenever you click on any of the radio button and you select anything, so it will call this on change, and in the on change, whatever contact ID and contact data you are selecting, it is just updating the data and show you in the front end. That is what it is doing. And now let me save it in the backend and save. So the deployment succeeded. Now let's create a lightning type. So the lightning type will be our this one. If I go to XML, this will be my name of the flight upload ticket. So developer name will be this, title will keep it same, lightning type. Okay. Deploy. The deployment is successful and my lightning type is created successfully. Now let's see, somehow that is not coming here. So now let's see in the front end whether it is created successfully or not. From where you can able to see that one? You can able to see it from if you click on setup, and then if you click on light, lightning, and then if you scroll a little bit down, you will able to see lightning types. And if you scroll a little bit down, then somewhere it is showing custom. Yeah. So it is showing custom and it is created successfully. So file uploaded successfully. If you click on this one, then you will able to see what has been created. So yeah, that has been created. So we need to use the same format that is present here, that is editor.json. You need to define this one, and in the schema.json you need to provide this one. So this class we have already provided, so this will be same like this, and editor.json will also like this. You can use Visual Studio. Using that one you will able to do it in the same way. So same, we have updated our lightning type, so it should be as we have seen, it is visible in the front end. So that is all done. Now the last part is we need to update our jsmeta.xml. So in the jsmeta.xml, you need to put AgentForce input. So you can remove this home page. We don't need the home page. And you need to provide this file, a flight file upload LWC. And in the target, you need to provide the name of the lightning type that you have created. So as I have shown you that I have created flight upload ticket, so that is how you need to show use that same flight upload ticket that we are using here, file upload ticket. So the same name you need to use it here and you need to save it. I mean, you need to deploy it. Okay, so why the deployment failed? Because I have mistakenly provided this target config name. So it should be target config. So let me deploy it again and let's see. Okay, deployed successfully. Now let's check in the front end how it works. So I will create a AgentForce builder. So how to use AgentForce builder? First of all, you need to turn on your Einstein, and then once you turn on your Einstein, you just type Einstein in your search box, and from there under Einstein you will get Einstein setup. You need to turn it on and you need to refresh the page. Then you will able to see AgentForce agent. So if you type in the quick find box as AgentForce agent, then you will find under AgentForce Studio and you will get AgentForce agent. Once it is created, a default will be provided to you. So this is my default one. I am using the default one. You can use anything else. Now, once you just need to click on like this name and then open in builder. So once it is open, then you need to click on open in builder, and once you click on open in builder, the AgentForce builder will open like this. So like this. Now let's create the topic first. So we'll create new topic, and what will be the name of our topic? The name of our topic will be same as like this. So if I go to topic configuration, I will use this handle description and I click on next. So I will keep it as attachment booking based booking creation, and the API name will be same as this one. Okay, and I will copy this one, paste it, and your job is only to process upload attachment, extract relevant booking information and create booking details. So C underscore underscore flight upload, this is the lightning AgentForce input component that I am explicitly asking the agent to use. So let me override this. Is initialize visibly render and accessible to user. Whenever a file is requested, do not handle general inquiries. Now in the instruction, I will use if user wants to upload an attachment document, then invoke upload flight ticket that we are going to create the action. We haven't yet created the action. So I just use this instruction and paste it. You need to type it as I have already created this, so that's why I can copy and paste this one. In the instruction, same, ensure this component is rendered and visibly first before showing anything else to the user when user wants to upload a file. Okay. This one we will do later because we are not going to use identify record by name in today's session. Also the JSON format we are not going to use. So this one we will use. So do not show any success message without rendering this upload file ticket action. Okay. The another one we are not going to use today session, so I'm just not using that one. Now I will click on next and I will click on finish. Once this topic is created, click on this particular topic and click on the action, and in the action click on create new action. From the create new action, you need to select Apex because we are using Apex to show it in the custom lightning form, and then use invocable method, and we should have upload file ticket that we have created here. So upload flight ticket. So here if we go, we have named it as upload file ticket. So this is the same that we are able to see it here. Click on next, and then you can disable this, or if you want to enable this, put means provide a meaningful loading text. For the timing, I'm just disabling this one, and for this one I will use a custom lightning type. So this is very important. You need to change it to flight upload ticket, because that is the custom one that you have created. Remember, we created the lightning type. What is the lightning type name that we have created? File upload ticket, right? So the same you need to use it here as well. That is flight upload ticket. You need to select it here, and required input, collect data from user. And here it's just text, show in conversation the message once file uploaded. And you can click on finish. So now you are done with the action. You just need to refresh it. It got refresh, and let's test it whether it is working fine or not. And bingo, it is working. So you can see that we are able to see the contact details here. It is coming as an lightning card. So this is how the all the like details is coming. So here the name of the contact is little bit different, so it is coming like this. Okay, so the list of contact is coming now. Let's see why our contact ID and contact name is not coming. Maybe we have not included that one. Let's see that. So yes, we have included the template. Yeah, we have done that one. We are iterating through contact data, but there is no input field. We have not included any input field. So that's why you will not able to see that one. So let me use those two input field, and let's see. So I will enter this 2 here, and I will save it again. Save it. Okay, deployment succeeded. Now let's go to our AgentForce, refresh it, maybe refresh it from here, reload it again. Okay, all done. Let's test it. And bingo, we are getting this selected contact name, selected contact ID. Now let's see whether this is working fine or not. Yes, we click on this and this got updated. We click on this got updated. So yes, that is working perfectly fine. If you click on this is updated. Now let's click on submit, and let's see what is happening. So we click on submitted, and we got the success message that ticket uploaded successfully. And let's see whether it provided the correct name. So Kristen Strong is the name that we have selected, and this is the selected ID, contact ID. So it does send the details to AgentForce once we hit on submitted, and it provided us the message that the file uploaded successfully. So that is how you can show a list of any record in chat window using custom lightning type. And once you selected that and pass the, if you want to pass the data to your AgentForce, click on submit, and it will pass the data in your to your AgentForce. So that is how you can, using an input form, you can communicate with your agent. You can send the data back to your agent, and then you can provide instruction to your agent how to process it further. So that is all for today's session. In the next session, we will see how we can upload a file and attach it with any contact that we are selecting, and then how it is going to decode the PDF file or the file that we are attaching with it with a contact. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.